Hey guys, so today I'm filming a what's in my makeup bag, and so I'm just going to get it right ahead towards it. So first I have my Revlon Photo Ready Blush in Flushed. It's a bright hot pink. Looks really natural on the cheeks, and I think it's really nice, easy to apply whenever I'm out. And then I have my Bobbi Brown Cheek Shimmer Glow. And I use this as a highlight because it's not really a blush, it's more for on tops of your cheekbones. So I'm going to open it up. It is in the color Miami. This was limited edition, and so it does have this really nice pink shimmer. I don't know if you'll be able to see it on my hand, but you can see it in the pan. It's really nice if I want a quick highlight that's not going to get my hands messy. And next I have another blush. It's the Maybelline Dream Bouncy blushes, which I know all of you have seen. These are really popular. Mine's in the color 05 Fresh Pink. And so it just looks like this. It's really nice to put on your cheeks, and it's easy to apply. And next, everyone in their makeup bag should have this item. It's definitely concealer to get rid of if your mascara runs or any dark circles. So I have the Maybelline Age Rewind in the color 60. It's a brightener illuminator, and I use this all the time. I love this. It's so, creamy, easy to blend, and it's really nice. Next for eyes, I have my L'Oreal Infallible eyeshadow in the color Ice Latte 888. And I'll show you what it looks like. This is so nice just if I don't have a lot of makeup on. Just a nice color to apply to the lid. Really shimmering, you can see. It's super nice. I use it for my kind of neutral eye, and it just looks perfect. So I always keep that with me just to kind of touch up. And I have my Stiletto eyeliner by Maybelline, and I've been using this for so long, and I love it. I use it in the color, Blackest Black, and it's just so nice to apply, and it's not messy, it won't run, and it's absolutely perfect. So I'm going to save my favorite for last, but before I get there, I have my Benefit They're Real mascara, which is really nice because it's a small. I take this because it's a mini. It's easy to put in my makeup bag. My makeup bag isn't that big. As you can see, this is just a cute little one that fits in a purse really nicely. It's from Target. They're about $3. There's some other colors, which is super nice. I really want to get maybe another one to, I don't know, just keep in my other purses. But this is super nice, cute cheetah print. It's really fun. And for my last item, I have my YSL lipstick. It's a Rouge Volupte Candy, or Rouge Volupte Shine. And it's in the color Fuchsia Rage. And I'll show you what it looks like. It's just this gorgeous purple. It's really nice. Comes off kind of pinky though. I like it. It's like a pinky purple, and you can see it looks really nice with that shadow. Kind of a more natural eye when you wear this because it is a bit, bright and colorful. It's kind of hard to match an eye with it, but natural, shades for the eyes look really good. So that's all what's in my makeup bag currently. I will make an updated one, if I change kind of the products that I have in there. So make sure you like my Facebook page. That makes me really happy when you guys do. Subscribe, comment, rate this video. And check out my beauty blog because you can ask me questions there, and there's a lot of makeup pictures on there, so it's really fun to kind of see all that and get inspired. So thanks guys, bye, thanks for watching.